Hi everyone, I am Dr. Nandini Joshi, practicing obstetrician gynecologist from Hyderabad. So, Dr. Pradeep Karak sir's hands-on laparoscopic and hysteroscopic surgery is hands-on in real sense because he lets the candidate do the surgery themselves while constantly supporting them when needed. I really feel blessed to find this course, and then I'm very much obliged to sir. The sir has excellent skills, and also he is very much approachable, which quickly establishes the bond between a student and a teacher. That is really great. That creates a great working environment and training environment for the candidate. And the highlights of the course which I attended were like there were total laparoscopic hysterectomies, where I get to develop my skill about over colpotomy and endosuturing, and I could also do operative hysteroscopy and myomectomy and adenomyomectomy with support, and also it was a pleasure to assist for sacrocolpoplexy laparoscopically. I am really looking forward to take that leap from a level 2 Gynae Endoscopic surgeon to level 3 endoscopic surgeon with confidence after attending this course. I highly recommend this course for everybody. Thank you.